Yo, 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 yo! Amazing morning, everyone. I'm Derek Ferrer here in Sydney, Australia of the New Norm Project. So, congratulations in starting your own online and digital marketing business. So, ito po yung isa sa pinaka-importante na kailangan nyo ma-watch and kailangan nyo mag-go through in starting this business. So this is our getting started training. And in this training also may nakalink po whether nandyan po sa description or nasa comment or ask your sponsor about the getting started manual kit. Okay? So para pag-start yung meron na po kayong basis ng foundations, ng schedule, ng trainings, ng tools, paano mag-process. Okay, so para you will start right. Okay, so but before we go through our getting started manual, I want you right now to thank God for this opportunity. Okay? Can you comment right now? Thank you God, okay? Thank you Lord, 'di ba? I am grateful. Okay. So for a start, congratulations in choosing network marketing, in choosing I Am Worldwide, in choosing our community, the New Norm Project. Either as a side business lang or as a full-time business or a new career. Okay? You have shown yourself right now to become a leader. Because as a leader, you are a decision maker. And right now, you've created one of the best decision in your life. You're someone who isn't happy with mediocrity. Alam ko na ayaw mo yung 15-30 lang, average, and the status quo. You're someone who knows there's a better way. And you've just discovered it right now in our company, in our community, in this industry. Congratulations again and welcome. You've joined an industry with over mga 20 to 30 million distributors around the world who is sharing this into a 30, 50, okay, 80, $100 billion market. Okay? So, you are part of a big industry and one of the fastest growing multi-level marketing company, not just in Philippines, not just in Asia, but in the whole world. Okay? So congratulations. So right now you have taken the first step. Okay? Ano yung next thing na gagawin ko? Okay? Eto. You're watching this video because sinend ito ng sponsor mo or nakita mo to sa community page natin. So, just go through with this and then later after you watch this video, please review it again with your sponsor. If you have questions, message us and download the PDF of our Getting Started Manual. Okay, so start. Ano ba yung Getting Started Manual? So in every for example, if you remember kung nung nag-school pa tayo, we have course outline, okay? We have expectations, we have manual, getting started kit before we proceed, 'di ba, to the proper to the proper course, 'di ba? So dito meron din tayo so that it can guide you and it can support you to start right in this business. Okay, so let's go through in this. So, okay. So if you download the PDF, meron kang the New Norm Project Getting Started Manual. So and magiging updated to So every week siguro or every month may mga updates to. So please, okay, be updated always. Okay? So nandyan naman yung mga reminders natin sa community natin. So okay, let's go. Sige, dito tayo. So you can see table of contents. So ang dami dyan. So para mabilis na lang sa'yo if you're looking for something, for example, for your payment, for maintenance, for schedule, so makikita mo na dito. So and in here also you will be familiar of the background and somehow of our description of our values, mission, vision, mission statement of our company and our community. So dito nyo makikita. So please read talaga to. Basahin nyo, go through ito. And ito yung vision, okay? Dapat alam natin yung vision natin, no? As a company, 'di ba? So So yun, vision natin aims to be one of the most admired direct sales companies here and around the globe, armed with a purpose to bring real change in our people's total well-being. Okay? It's not just about money, my friend. Okay? Including one's health, prosperity, and balance. By living for others, okay? It's not just for us. We help move them to improve lives, whatever the situation and no matter the circumstance. Are you proud of our vision statement? Okay? So our mission is our objective is to enrich the lives of our customers, independent distributors, and the employees of the company and the community by providing them with the best in market business opportunities and to be at the forefront of bringing world-class quality products to whomever and wherever they may be in the world. Okay, so that's it. And if you can see, if you can observe in our vision and mission statement, we're not just here for the benefit of our own self. We're here also for others. So if you are a person who wants to help others, who want to serve your community to create an impact, congratulations. This is for you. Okay, this is our pledge. Okay, our values, integrity first. Okay, very important, integrity, empowering people, shaping spirituality. Yeah, our value also is about spirituality because if our spirituality is okay, di ba? If our inner self is okay, the outer, our outer self, the physical will be manifested, di ba? Transforming communities and passion for excellence. Okay. And this is the New Norm Project, okay? Our community, our team. So breaking through the new norm, okay? So because maybe you're watching this, we're in the midst of pandemic, or maybe you're watching this video in a post-pandemic season. But I just want to share to you, if you're watching this na tapos na yung pandemic or in the post-pandemic na, this community, the New Norm Project, TNNP, the New Norm Nation, was established during crisis. Okay? This was established during a pandemic talaga, on the verge of the height of stress, the height of distress, the height of worry. That's why we created this tagline, breaking through the new norm. Why everything become new. The way of doing the business, paano magdo yung business, paano kumita is kailangan paano mag-adapt ng online. That's why breaking through the new norm. So a community again. So this is a community. Maybe you're nami-meet mo yung team nyo offline, physical, that's good. Okay? Or maybe we're most of us here, di ba? We're meeting one another online. So a digital community that values each other's well-being and turns a crisis, okay? And turn a crisis into an opportunity by monetizing our time online. Okay? So again, our vision is first, I want you to to put it in your heart and in your mind that our community, that this is our vision, honors God as its ultimate motive in all our methods and starting line and finish line. That's our motive here. Whatever we do here in the New Norm Project, in terms of finances, in times of training, in times of mentoring, in times of production, marketing, we always see to it that in everything that we do, we honor God. And I hope this is for you also. For you and for your future team. Whatever yung gusto nyong i-decide in strategies, always do it for the glory of God. And also, not just for God, values each other's well-being. Serve to each other. Service to one another para ma-create yung full potential ng isa't isa. Establish camaraderie that everyone can express themselves freely and feels that this is home. Again, this is your home. Okay? So, turning a crisis into an opportunity by monetizing our time. So, meaning we can earn money, di ba? By using our time online through our opportunity and prosperity program. Okay, so this is it. Our mission is to share hope, health, opportunity, prosperity for everyone. Help people in all walks of life to have their own financial breakthrough through our opportunity and prosperity program. Okay, so also for and most of us here join ng business because they want to help people who are suffering from different illnesses or who wants to have a healthy lifestyle, di ba? Through our organic products, okay? So again, welcome. Let's get started. So remember these trees. Establish. You need to be established, okay? You need to be equipped and you need to be empowered. The moment you're established, dapat mag-establish ka muna and then you equip yourself, and when you equip, you can empower. You cannot empower someone if you're not equipped, and you cannot be equipped if you're not established. Okay? So again, best to discuss this also uh, with your mentor, di ba? Mas okay nga na you're discussing it before nyo na-watch ang video. But important talaga that you discuss this one-on-one with your mentor. Okay? So, establish. Okay. Number one, meet with your sponsor. After joining the business, di ba? Ngayon, if ka-join ka na, have a one-on-one meeting with your sponsor. Okay? Connect to them online or in person if possible. Discuss this. Okay? ASAP. As soon as possible. Meet with your direct sponsor. So, yung direct sponsor yung nagpa-join sa'yo in this community. Okay, and then how to process pay-in, maybe nandito na din, so you can go through. So in this video, I will not discuss every detail kasi mababasa nyo din siya. So how to process pay-in, so we have different processing method to process our pay-ins and ng mga new members. So walk in, di ba? So walk in sa mga offices and online. That's why here also in our getting started manual, nilagay na namin dito yung mga tawag dito contact info and business centers all over the world. Okay. Okay, so yan, local and international, and we will keep this updated from time to time. So if may mga kulang dito, it's okay. So mag-update kami every week. So see to it that you download always na updated yung getting started manual nyo. And dito din, makikita nyo din how to process and pay in online. Okay? So nandito na yung mga link. Okay? So usually, we were processing it through email. Okay? Sa head office. So depende po. Depende talaga kung saan ka nagpa-process. Okay? So this is the usual processing kung sa main office, and nandito na din yung bank account kung saan nyo i-deposit, the things na kailangan nyo i-provide, the details na kailangan nyo i-provide, nandito na din. So, and then you can also pay it through credit card, and if you have friends also that and family members that wants to join this business, you can pay it also in credit card. So nandito na din yung mga information, and medyo may konting increase lang ng prices if they process credit card because we are connected sa PayPal. So may mga charges siya. Okay. And then sige. So yun, may mga instruction na dito paano mag-process ng PayPal. Yep. Okay, and how to process pay online. Okay, nandito na din. Okay. So, yep. Okay. Yeah, and then dito na basahin nyo lang kung paano mag-process dito. And then after you process the payment, okay, the company again screenshot mo talaga. Always reminder ko lang. Once every time you're doing a transaction in this business, screenshot. Kasi minsan nakakalimutan natin mag-screenshot. So screenshot talaga. Every time may payment na successful, screenshot. And para may and keep it also. Have a copy of it. Save it to your phone, save it to your email, so ganon. And then we have a code. Okay, we have a digital code yung paano nyo mag-register. So we have a unique digital receipt for everyone. Okay, so kailangan nyo ito i-ask talaga after nyo mag-join. May code to. Maybe 2 to 3 days makukuha nyo na kagad, or sometimes 1 day lang siya. Okay? So, encode with your sponsor. Please encode immediately to avoid code expiration. So, always check the expiration date of the code. Okay? Because pag, pag hindi nyo na na-encode and lagpas na kayo sa expiration, bibili kayo again ng another code. So, hindi natin gusto yan. Di ba? So, yun. So, and then, navigate your account. You have an online business tracking center here in I Am Worldwide. So, log in your account. So, yung default password natin is 1234567 8. Okay? And then, yung members ID nyo, always secure that, my friend. Okay? So, yan. And then, dito din, tuturuan kayo kung saan nyo ilalagay. So, wag po kayong mag-encode na kayo lang. If you are for first time, kailangan magpa-guide po kayo kay mentor nyo kasi we have a spillover system here. One account policy tayo. So, you need to recognize kung saan siya ilalagay and your mentor will guide you through that. So, yun. And how to become a mover. Okay? Kasi if you want to activate all your commission, you need to be a mover para ma-activate mo lahat ng commission natin. So, in order to be a mover, you need to have two directs, right? So, if you're Jade, makikita nyo sa picture, it's either Jade or Platinum. If you're Platinum, it's either Jade, Platinum, or Gold. If you're Gold, it's either Gold or Silver, diba? O if you're Silver, lahat ng package pwede. So yun, you need to be aware of this also when you start the business para ma-structure nyo ng mabuti. And also in our manual, makikita nyo kung saan nyo makikita yung kasi when you register online, the system will ask you about the PIN, the serial number, the account number, so the activation code. So yun, makikita mo dyan. Okay? And also, in this manual, you will also be established kung paano mag-purchase ng reorders nyo. Ano yung reorders? So, after a month, magbibili ka agad ng mga products or if ubos ka agad yung products mo, bumili ka kagad. So, dito din makikita mo. So, for monthly maintenance, start the next month after joining. Okay? So, after joining, again, on the next month, mag-maintain ka na. You start na mag-maintain. So, make it a habit to maintain every first 7 days of the month to qualify for a residual sales match commission. Ano yung residual sales match commission? You will find it out in our IDBP or I Am Detailed Business Presentation. But it is one source of income here, one ways to earn here. So, make it a habit also na first week of the month, mag-maintain ka na para hindi mo na makalimutan. Okay? Why? There are consequences kung hindi ka nag-maintain. If you hit an incentive on that year, in that year, may isang month ka na hindi ka naka-maintain, hindi mo makukuha. So, know your monthly unilevel requirements or maintenance. So, in maintenance natin is yung minimum is 300 unilevel points. Okay? If you are youth, meron tayong youth empowerment project dito, and you want to qualify sa top, you need to, you need to purchase 500 unilevel points if you want to qualify to our I Am 001. So makikita nyo din ito, yung I Am 001, it's a raffle. It's one of the 13 ways to earn here and also in I Am Worldwide. So makikita nyo din yan sa IDBP. Okay? So then 600 unilevel points and 900 unilevel points if gusto mo naman ma-qualify sa top on that month. And if you're elite executive, so that you can yung requirements mo on that month, always ganito. Always maintain ng ganito. Or if you're Sapphire, 400 unilevel points. If you're Ruby, 800 unilevel points. UP. Okay, paano yun makikita yung unilevel points? Dito, makikita nyo din dito kung For example, that's why 3 boxes of barley okay na maintenance kasi yung barley is 100. Ilan nga yung kailangan natin? 300 unilevel points. So you can check it here. Okay? Okay, and how to process reorders online, makikita nyo din dito. Yun, di ba? So yun, and ito makikita nyo din. Okay. So yon, paano mag-process online. Ito, makikita nyo dito. There are steps here. So don't worry. So, releasing of products. So, option 1, pwede po i-pick up nyo sa office. 'Di ba? If may office kayo. And number 2, bed system. Meron tayong bed system dito. Makikita nyo mamaya. So, and number 3, pwede through your sponsor. 'Di ba? For example, if you're in abroad and you want na patulong ka sa sponsor mo to process your releasing of products, you can do that also. Okay? So, yon. Option 1, releasing of products, okay, pick up, bed system. We have all the instructions here, just follow it, okay? So we have bed system in Metro Manila, in nationwide, and international. It's the I am worldwide, the company will process it for you. Okay, so ganito. So yon, releasing of products, 'di ba? So makikita nyo lahat talaga dito. So, yeah, and about shipping fee, so we don't have a standard rate for the shipping fee because nag-change siya through time. Okay, so releasing of products, makikita nyo na dito. Okay, yan, and kung saan nyo sila i-email, okay, this is the bed system, So, yon. We have in Cebu because our branches are in Metro Manila, meaning branch siya. So, meron tayong tinatawag na branches, company siya talaga, branch, and IBC or I Am Business Center. Okay, so we have branches in Manila, Metro Manila, sa Ortigas, sa Cebu, and sa Davao. Okay, so, and we have also business centers in different parts of the country and the world, di ba? So, yon. So, releasing of products. Yep. So, nandito na lahat. Okay, nandito na lahat. So, paano i-process, ano yung system, ano yung ano. So, nandito na lahat. So, yon. Okay, note, delivery period. Okay, if you're in Bacolod, kasi we are connected also with our Bacolod as one of the business center that is supporting our team. So, mga 3 to 5 days. Okay, within 3 days, di ba? So, depende. Mga 3 days, makukuha mo na yung product mo. If local naman, outside Bacolod, meaning Mindanao, Luzon, or within 5 to 10 days. Okay? So, in international, within 15 to 20 days kung sa abroad naman. Okay? So, that's it. So, kung kasi our logistics, our delivery right now, be patient lang mga mentors because we are we are adjusting pa in this new norm era, no? So that's all. It's okay. 5 to 10 days, it's okay. 15 to 20 days, it's okay. So importante makukuha yung products, no? So yun, and also in this in our established na part is makikita mo din dito how to navigate your online account. Always navigate and familiarize your online account. Check nyo always kung may nag-join and fill up nyo na yung settings nyo, yung personal details nyo, yon. So makikita nyo din dito. Also, you can see here paano yung mag-encash. Paano mag-encash ng money mo papunta ng bank account mo. Yon. So, yon. Nakita mo. And also, dito din, if you don't have a bank account and gusto mo ipasok sa ibang bank account, nandito na din yung format of authorization letter. Okay? So, yon. Nandito na lahat ng requirements. And, yon. And also, I am encouraging you also para magkaroon ka ng poster. Kung gusto mo gawan ka namin ng poster, if you promote, or so just submit your photo here. And also, in faith, you're preparing na magiging top ka. You're preparing na magiging achiever ka. So, post your picture. So, wear proper business executive attire, plain black or white, okay? Front post, hindi ganito. So, white background, clear, good quality photo, and email nyo dito sa admin@thenewnormnation.com and graphics@iamworldwide.net. Okay, so yun, ito yung mga gagawin nyo so that maka-establish. And then you process your ID. Okay, so paano ka mag-process ng ID? Nandito din yung instructions. So, okay, it's 100 pesos and then you have yun yung give a copy of your photo, 'di ba? So, depende din kung paano nyo siya i-process. Is either mag-ask kayo ng help with sa mentor nyo or diretso kayo sa head office. So, yun. And yun. First, pwede sa sponsor. And second, pwede kayo magdiretso sa head office. Okay? And then, we have this disbursement Visa card. So, pwede kang kumuha ng Visa card na sa'yo, okay? So, how to process this Visa card? Nandito na din. So, first, yon meron ditong link. Doon mo i-fill up lahat. And then, print mo yung application form mo, and then ganito may ano ka lang, may i-fill up ka lang with your ID and send it to and email it to I Am Worldwide. Nandito na din lahat ng email kung saan mo yun siya i-email. Lahat ng requirements nandito na din. Okay? So, yun. So, and lastly is, sa establish is you join the community. After this, na process mo na lahat, and or immediately nga, before mo pa i-process always be plugged in. Importante, yun yung ano ko sa talaga sa self ko when I'm doing this business. I want to be updated because information is power. Knowledge is power. So if you're updated of the business, yung excitement mo, yung belief system mo tataas. So subscribe to I Am Worldwide Facebook page. Okay? Kasi makikita mo na yun yung everyday may IBP diyan, everyday may mga trainings diyan. And also, okay, sabihin nyo sa mentor mo na i-add ka sa Messenger. Okay? And number 3, Facebook group, no? Mayroon tayong The New Norm Project Facebook group. Okay, mag-join ka na. Okay? And number 4, meron tayong New Norm Nation page. Makikita mo din dyan mga business presentation. And New Norm Nation YouTube channel. Okay? And yung Google Drive na file. Okay? So, yun. And nandiyan na yung lahat ng link dito sa manual natin, okay? 'Di ba? So, and then join the community, okay? So, 'yon, nandito na lahat ng links, nandito na. So, again, subscribe always sa atin para maging updated ka, no? So, 'yon, nandito na. So, lahat ng links nandito na. So, i-click link mo na lang kasi naka-hyperlink to sa PDF natin. So, and also if you have if you need something or may concern ka, nandito din yung yung mga kung may concern ka sa IT, may concern ka sa commissions mo, may concern ka sa kahit ano diyan. So just check this, just check your manual, nandiyan na lahat. Yun. So tapos na tayo sa establish, okay? If you're established, okay, establish ka sa community, establish ka, alam mo mag-navigate ng account mo, na-establish ka na, may ID ka na, may ATM ka na, na-establish ka na, and then what's next? You need to be equipped. Okay? So, ito yung business presentations natin. So, weekdays, okay, nandito na, and subject for changes to. So, 8 a.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., 11 p.m., meron tayong business presentation. So, pili ka lang kung saan yung available ng prospects mo, no? So via Zoom or live, meron dyan. And Saturday, meron din tayong 4 p.m. and Sunday, meron tayong 3 p.m. So, isi-send. That's why you need to be part of the group chat. Okay, para maging updated ka sa mga links ng mga trainings and presentations. And training also, MWF, 8 p.m. may training tayo. Tuesday, meron tayong training. Thursday, meron tayong training 9 p.m. Saturday, may training tayo. And every end of the month, meron tayong tinatawag na Blitz. Very excited kami dito. Every Blitz. Ito yung the whole community is nagagather and we market together, we prospect together, we approach people together, we reject, nare-reject tayo together, and we celebrate our victories together. So, yan. So, always be updated with this. And this is the most important, yung plan mo, yung first na gagawin mo in sa equipping is to finish this 7 seeds of success, okay? This 7 training is very important. If you want to be fast sa business mo, kailangan mo to. That's why if you subscribe on our channel, New Norm Nation in YouTube, meron diyang album, nakalagay yung 7 seeds of success. Okay? So, yun. And we have this. We're so proud of this. TNNP e-learning portal. You have your own training portal. Nandito na lahat ng information na makikita mo. Okay? So, ito lang. So, fill up nyo lang to. May instruction na dito kung paano ka makakuha ng portal mo, paano mo ma-access yung portal mo. And it's free. Okay, this is the New Norm Project courses. It's free lang. So, okay? And then we have also Linktree. Nandiyan na lahat ng link na you need. Yun, so important reminders, weekly commission, and code your pay-ins immediately. Okay? So, yung commission natin, weekly. Okay? Grabe, no? Every week. Okay? And code your pay-ins immediately to avoid code expiration. Okay? And process, yung paano mag-click, paano mo makuha yung commission mo, it's every Tuesday. Okay? So, our cut-off is Monday. In-code mo yan before Monday. And Tuesday, i-click mo, and then you can withdraw your encashment after 3 working days or Friday. Okay? Sounds good? Tuesday in cash, click mo, Friday makukuha mo. And monthly reminder, maintain every first week of the month. Take note that this getting started manual will be updated monthly or quarterly. So always stay connected for announcement. Okay? So and then, if you're established and you're equipped, okay, what do you need again is empower. Empower yourself. Okay, empower yourself. How? Okay, be intentional. Punta ka sa mentor mo to have a goal setting with you and your team. Okay? And then, always have goals. Always have goals. Okay? And stay connected with your mentor in TNNP. Have a one-on-one mentoring session. Join the team training, your small group training, the community training, the company training, the events, and always be updated with the announcement, updates, and reminders. So pass this. Duplication is the game. The name of the game. The New Norm Nation is the duplication nation. So imagine if you're established and if you're equipped and you're empowered, also your team is established, your team is equipped, your team is empowered, imagine duplication starts, growth starts, and if growth starts, income will start. If income will enter, 'di ba? Pag nag-increase yung income, what will happen? 'Di ba? Success. 'Di ba? And nakita nyo, it's not just about income, it's personal development. Okay? So that's it. So congratulations on completing this Getting Started manual. I want you to go through with that. Okay, this is just a short video to encourage you to go through this and to be aware na meron tayong ganito. So, pag nag-start yung downlines, ipasa ka agad yung video na to. Okay, nandito, nasa YouTube siya and nakapin siya sa group page natin. Okay? And, also, I want you to pray din. Pray ka talaga. At the start of the day and at the end of the day, before you invite, before you attend training, always pray. Always pray. And I want you to surrender this business to God. Okay? Kasi this is our principle. Sabi sa Bible, if we seek first the kingdom of God, di ba? And His righteousness, all things shall be added unto you. All, not some, all. That's why I want you to honor God in this business. Honor God, because when you honor God in this business, your dealings with people will follow. The income will follow. Even hindi ka pa nag-income, you're secure. Diba? You're excited because you know that you have a big God that loves you so much that can provide for you. Okay, so I am Mentor Derek Fair again, and thank you so much. And please run through nyo sa. Again, download this manual, subscribe to New Norm Nation sa YouTube, subscribe to our I Am Worldwide sa Facebook, New Norm Project sa New Norm Nation sa Facebook, and also all immediate as soon as possible, go sa learning portal nyo. Okay? Go sa learning portal nyo para ma-finish nyo. And dapat nyo ma-finish ng mga trainings and courses. So, God bless you and to God be the glory.